Hi, this is a tutorial for how to take your Google Docs and embed them into your MyEd digital portfolio for your core competency self-assessment. Right now, this tutorial is aimed at grade 8 students. So we're going to start by, first of all, looking at the grade 8 core competency class, just as a way of looking at a Google Classroom and seeing a document. So you created a self-assessment in your Mosaic self-assessment class. And what you're wanting to do is to copy the self-assessment that you created or any of the documents that you created in that, and you want to put them into the digital portfolio in MyEd so that your parents are going to be able to see them. And the way you do that is this. So you go to your Google Classroom or your Google Docs where you've got something saved. And in this case, we're going to use the self-assessment template that can be used if you have nothing else that you want to use as a self-assessment tool. So you can see this one is empty. And so we're just going to copy it empty into MyEd. So to do that, I'm going to go to Edit, and I'm going to choose Select All. You'll notice over here it also says Control plus A. That's the shortcut. You can Control key on the bottom left-hand corner of your keyboard and then the A key at the same time. So you have to hold them both at the same time, and that will allow you to select everything in that document. So we're going to do that right now. You'll notice that everything is highlighted in blue. That's good. That means it's all copied. And so the next thing you want to do is you want to copy that. So the best way to do that is to actually hit Control plus C. And now it's copied. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to log into MyEd BC. So to do that, you go through our school website and click on the MyEd green icon on the school webpage. And when you've logged in, yours will look green, I believe. As a teacher, mine looks blue. And then you're going to click on, over here on the left-hand side, Page Directory. So when I click on Page Directory, I can see everybody's e-portfolios because I get to sort of supervise all of them and because I can change your passwords. So I'm going to go down here to an example one that was created for me to show you all of the different things you can do. So I just have to scroll down here and find it, and you can see I can see everybody's. So this is the one that I'm looking for. So this is an example of a possible digital portfolio in MyEd. I want you to notice that up here, we've got a grade 8 tab, a grade 9 tab, 10, 11, and 12, because ultimately you're going to use these for all your school years. To be able to add a new tab, you want to click Edit Page, and you're going to need to do that if you haven't already done so. Now I can add a tab by clicking the Add Tab gray button. And in this case, I'm just going to double click on that tab to give it a name. And I'm going to call it my Example tab. And I'm going to click Enter, and now I've got that. But that means that I'm still kind of stuck. I need to be able to demonstrate. I need to be able to actually work in something. So I'm going to click Edit Page again, and you'll notice that I've got all of these side things here. What I would like you to do is grab either Banner or Blog. Banner is probably easier. And drag it over here. You'll notice the screen changes color, and let it go, and it gives you a banner. Well, that's all very nice, but you still can't do anything with it yet. You're going to need to click Edit. Click Edit, and now you're going to get an area where you can drop things, or you can type. So you could actually type your entire portfolio here without ever opening a Google document. But this is an easier way to go because it's easier to edit in Google Docs. So now I'm going to paste that document that I copied a while back. To do that, I'm actually going to press Control and then V, and that will paste the document that I copied. And there it is. It's now in my portfolio, but I'm not quite done. What I need to do now is I need to click Save. You might need to scroll down on your screen to be able to see the Save button, but if you don't click Save, it won't be there the next time you log in. So you click save and it's done. It's now in your portfolio and your parents will be able to see it too. That is how you add things from Google Docs or anywhere else just by copying and pasting into the banner in your digital portfolio. If you have any questions, please come see me in the library. I'm happy to help, and I'll be helping teachers as well so that everybody gets comfortable with this. Thanks. Have a great evening.